एज मेरे साथ अभी दली है जो मास्टर फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट अभी कंप्लीट हो गया है। तो मेरे को बताना, अभी वो इसका ग्रेजुएशन था अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी, नाउ इसे एसयू में कंप्लीट किया है मास्टर। तो हमको बताना, कंपैरिजन बताऊंगा तो कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छा रहेगा, और वहाँ पर तुम्हारा मास्टर हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था, और यहाँ पर तुम्हारा कितना मार्क था CUET का, थोड़ा बताना आपका बैकग्राउंड बारे में थोड़ा बताना।
Basically, I had completed my graduation from Aligarh Muslim University, and there I got admission in like masters in organic chemistry. There is a specialization in our university, like general chemistry is there. There's no specialization is there. So I got like about 220 marks in CUET PG exam. Like last when I was joined in 2022, that was the CUET PG paper of about 400 marks. Now it is about 300 marks. So our cutoff was about 180 plus for general, that is at that time, and now it will be like it will go for 140 or 150 plus. That would be the range for this.
ओके मेरे को बताना, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी का जो मास्टर कोर्स फी कितना रहता है, SU में कोर्स फी कितना रहता है?
For course fee, we can say that it's about similar. Like Aligarh Muslim University is also central funded university, so it will be like both have like 10
Equal.
for like 4-5,000 that different that is there. And for North Indian people, I say like food is very good, like the atmosphere, the things in AMU is tremendous.
Okay, and hostel facility everyone get Aligarh University or not? Here everyone getting hostel facility, like everyone admission day they getting the hostel. Aligarh is everyone getting or not?
Like previous one, before 2-3 years, there was little shaking environment is there. But for PG student there, you get instant accommodation. But here in any course you're there, if you come on admission date, you'll get on that day the admission. There's no issue in that, and there you can get accommodation and everything. No problem with that.
Like your master time the teachers and now teachers, how it's different, like वहाँ पर कैसे स्टडी हो रहा था, यहाँ पर स्टडी कैसा है?
We can say like I haven't never leave that university because of teachers, because they are very helpful and very great achievement they have. They are good teacher, helpful guides, and they are really literally good. Like here teachers are okay, they mainly focus on research, but in AMU like they lead us overall development. Their faculties are little less, and little lab environment is not there, means that research orientation there is there, but not that much, but here we get more scope, more number of variety in that subjects.
ओके सो ओके रिसर्च पर्सपेक्टिव से मतलब बताऊंगा, वहाँ पर अच्छा रहेगा कि यहाँ पर अच्छा रहेगा? लोग का बहुत कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है अभी, वहाँ पर एडमिशन लेगा कि यहाँ पर लेगा, आपका है?
Like if you want to do your research, like so you surely go for University of Hyderabad, because it is the best central university currently performing in India. And for AMU, we have little less scope in materials and some other subjects areas, and in SU we get a lot of application. You surely go through that University of Hyderabad associate faculty list, and from there you can see that what the work is going on and what are the type of things are there. We got like citation per faculty is 325 in QS World ranking. So overall SU is better in all central universities. And like if you want to do graduation, AMU is better. I mean, they will lead you from the basic to the studies to the research environment. They'll make you in every field, like wherever you want to go. What is your interest, your development, everything is there. But if you want to do your specific research, SU is no doubt best.
ओके एंड इन्वायरमेंटली वाइज वहाँ पर कितना लाइक क्राउड रहता है, यहाँ पर कैसे?
Like it's depend on like individual what he want. If he want like some kind of college schools, so compared here, from here he want to see some people are roaming there, so that more interaction is there, more crowd, more voice is there, so he should to choose AMU. And AMU's campus is literally beautiful, well decorated, well established, everything is in the place. So that's no problem. But if you want to enjoy nature, like beautiful nature, like now rain is there, like flora and fauna is there, and everything, you want to explore a big campus, like everything is so
In a SU,
yeah, exotic, like change in environment. Here little heat is there, but you will enjoy nature. That's the best thing.
Okay. And last thing you tell me, like total seat your our university कितना है, and last कितना student का net हुआ था net?
Okay. We got 80 seats, like 20 for integrated people and 60 people for masters. We'll offer 60 people. Now, last time, about 40% people got their JRF.
40% student.
Last year, not our batch. Means before our batch.
Year batch how many people get?
In our batch, it's literally little less, like 10 people only got. And like we are running this net now. So in this net, people like 10-15 people will qualify that. And our batch didn't score well that because of our more research work. So we are more people we are not prepared for the net. We are just working on what are the current research initiative, what are the papers going on, and if you work for papers that didn't ask by net, so we'll have to give time for that also. We didn't given that.
Okay, and your batch 4 people are getting in a foreign university.
Yeah.
Like these people have net or not?
One person got JRF and
3 people not have.
not have net but they are certainly good with research.
Okay, they have some paper.
Yeah, like they have papers and they are done good projects earlier, and here also they have done good research work, and their like skills in that in like lab, in writing papers, etc., and how the research go. These things are they have done tremendously better.
Like you saying the SCU is the best of the research in all India rank. How much coming our university SCU?
Like it came about 800 to 850 in QS World ranking, but for especially chemistry and SLS we are below 500, and if we come for citation for faculty it will be 325 in QS World ranking.
Okay,
That's
but India में three number coming or
no, actually in IRF ranking I will say based on the data, like it will be 10th in Central University, but in 2018 we got a good ranking, but after top 7 IITs research is oriented, its SU is good, but our ranking literally decreased. Some issues is there, but we will work to improve. Our university is continuously improving, and because of some issues our ranking literally go down because of not medical level is that high, and some engineering backups are there. But if our university continuously improving that, so if that was clear, our university ranking will be go.
Okay.
So,
You
yeah.
finally said to me Aligarh Muslim University is good or SU is good. What the people choose? Final one word.
Like as I said now, if you want to have particular research oriented environment like
come.
chemistry or physics or something,
Then come.
come. Like
But you are teacher, then you.
if you want to learn like various perspectives, various interactions, various studies like thing, then you should choose as MU. That's good also.
And MU provide free EPSC coaching.
Yeah, that's also.
But SU giving or not?
We have residential coaching, like but now it's not working for last 2 years, and that's thing.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. आप सब कुछ बोल दिया. कुछ भी डाउट है मैं इसका इंस्टाग्राम का आईडी दे दूंगा, और मेरा भी इंस्टाग्राम का है, आप पूछ सकते हो. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी दा सुजीत कुमार गिरी. चलो बाय.